Da-da-da-dum. It seems that I cannot get away from string buff. String X, I mean. Not string buff. I renamed the previous streams to give them a proper name. I haven't streamed in the past few days because I was working on other stuff. But at the same time, today I'm streaming so late. That's fine. Late compared to the previous days. Alrighty. So, yeah, that's it. Let me just get some music going. My mix, yeah, sure. But I'm not streaming the music, right? Okay. Yeah, don't want to get copyrighted. It's kind of silly. Alrighty, so open-tobey. There's, yeah. I'll start with friend operators, which are these ones over here. If you go here, this is string buff something. So let's figure out what is this one, right? So, yeah. So there's the call to extra. You're right here. Okay, yeah. So that's okay. So to give a little bit of context, the way that they were implemented, it's right here. Yeah, right here. So there's make room and 2 calls to append. Yeah. Yeah, that's. No idea what is this. Alrighty. So, okay. Chunk file open. Sure. Just whatever. What the fuck? Okay, here's the plus. Which plus is it? So this is 2f. So string x. So it's adding to string x's. So I need to get these bogus functions in. Shit. Because they are used, that's the problem. Yeah, it's hard to get it to match with all of this variability, but that's fine. Okay, so I think if I do it this way, yeah, string x, bogus, sum, string x, and the const string. Hey man, Miguel, string x, bogus. But I can just copy this. So just do this and it should work without problem. Yeah. I also replaced my file explorer. This one's just... Oh, you got a job in Portugal. Remote or physical job? Because if it's remote, I'm quite surprised. Most companies that I know want physical workers there. 42. Well, what's the problem? Wow. Okay. That's cool. Oh shit. Just remove the keycap. Okay. Missing comma. What the fuck? Am I going crazy? Oh. Yeah, okay. Great. I'll need these bogus functions. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. But yeah, most of my friends in Portugal, they need to go to the office X amount of times, which I find goofy. Even my company now wants to do the... What? Oh yeah, I removed the export. Okay. I see. I know that currently in Portugal, they made it harder for people to get citizenship. It was a little controversial. What progress have you made? Are you this is a different project. This is not Spider-Man 2000. I don't know if you're talking about this or another. Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Can see. This is a different project. Anyway. This is for the movie game. So Kelly Slater's Pro Surf. Yeah, this game over here. Yeah, this game over here shares the same engine. And I thought that, like, instead of doing a full decom, just, yeah, make use of it. As basis to... I called it a dissection because, to be honest, I don't really care about doing a... that's why open-tobey. Yeah, exactly. It's open-tobey Maguire. So let me do something about this. I realized that I enabled function level. Where is it? Yeah, incremental compilation. I don't need it. But yeah. And There's also where is it? Where's LibreWolf? LibreWolf. Yeah, right here. There's also OpenUSM. Yeah, here. Martin Eden. 2 months ago. Yeah, this for Spider-Man. Ultimate Spider-Man, I mean. Does he have stringx here? Like, he's not doing a matching the compilation. Wait, there's no search? Type search stringx. Search. What? Fuck. I've never used GitLab. Oh, it's GPL3. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have stringx. Oh, it's because it's mstring, not stringx. I think it's mstring or something goofy like that. Yeah, it's mstring. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay. He also has tests, which is cool. Huh. But yeah. And if no, they did not finish. I'm just taking a small pause to do other stuff. But yeah. I was away. I was not working on it. GitLab is kind of weird. I think they lost the source code twice, which is the only thing that I know about. Which is kind of embarrassing if you think. I don't know if it's true, but I totally believe it's true. Bogus sum. And then you do char, stringx, stringx, char. Does it return a copy, the friend operator? Maybe I'm messing up something and I shouldn't. Oh, it does it. So these are just bogus functions. Yeah, these are just like this. Right hand side. Okay. Because they are in line and stuff, and there's what the hell, doesn't matter. Okay, this is good. Thank God I removed incremental linking. Yeah, I'll need to figure out. So bogus SXXX. Yeah. Are these actually different? That is awesome. Maybe you've worked well. Nope. Never heard, sorry. I don't know most companies, to be honest. Okay. I remember when we had not science fairs, but work fairs in my university. And talking with people from companies, they'll be like, oh yeah, I work for this and that. And most of the times I was just confused. Like, sure, okay, never heard of you. I was not even trying to be funny, it's just how it was. Huh. Enable to locate. So this is char const string. Okay. This char, it's this one. Just go here, do this. Perfect. And now there's this strange one. But yeah, yeah, but ooh, let's pick a random function, right? Let's pick this one. Is not a light source. Perfect. So there's the version with get color. Huh. Actually, I can figure out where this is from. Ah, come on, man. Are you fucking serious? Yeah, it looks kind of like this one, doesn't it? Yeah, but this is definitely this one over here. No, 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 no. I messed up. Sorry, God. Oh, nice. Garbage. What is this? Ah, get val. Okay, whatever. Forget. It still feels like my. uh, kind of. I don't really know what to say, but most of the times, how do I say this? Most of the times, I also like. You can learn a lot just by trying. If this makes sense. What are these two functions over here? Okay, somehow these are. I think I've seen this somewhere. So, sex char. But I'm what I'm doing at the moment is just matching stuff. Make room maybe. There's lots of inlining going on. Also, what the fuck? Wait. I don't know what's going on. I think my downstairs neighbor just. Okay, this is weird. Wait, let me check my. Wait, I need to check my room. Okay, whatever. I don't know what happened. Something happened downstairs. Some goofy ass neighbor. Okay. You're parsing. No, it's like I heard like something very heavy being dropped, and it shook my room. Yeah. So I mostly streamed for two reasons: to show people how much effort do these basic things take, and secondly because I like to write on my blog, so I use the streams as reference and I take notes, and I wouldn't be surprised that people watch the streams wouldn't know. I'm not actively communicating what I'm doing too, so I know that this is from string buff somewhere else. There's something string buff. It's kind of it's another inline function, right? I've seen it somewhere. Well, I'm thinking. Well, I live in probably the biggest city in Norway, and yeah, it's okay. I gotta say. Huh, interesting. I remember seeing this function somewhere else. I don't know. The older I get, the more I hate the city. What string buff, string buff, string buff. I remember seeing this last stream. It's like you do, but I don't have much. Me neither. I literally I had to find the time. If that makes sense. It kind of looks like this one, set to C string. Oh wait, set to C string. Hmm. Blocks needed. Hmm. It kind of looks like it, right? Hmm. I remember I was talking once with this guy that there's a lot of cool stuff on the PlayStation Vita scene, and we're both in university, and I just asked him, how does he find the time to do it? He said, just do it. I know it's kind of super underwhelming answer, but it's mostly just, yeah. What is this function? God damn it. V10. Is this some... Is it blocks native? Yeah, it looks like blocks native. Yeah, definitely looks like blocks native. And by making it happen, I mean stuff like if you have others, like organize your time in order to be able to do the projects that you want. Yeah. And also realize that you cannot do everything in a day. Yeah, okay, that's block. So this part over here, that's definitely blocks needed. I think I should have made the game with it like Lost Ark. Not sure. Referring to some blocks needed. So I don't see it anywhere else though. What is this? Oh wait, -1. E14. String X. Oh yeah, this is string buff. Yeah, okay. I did not define it. V10. Set. Oh yeah, it looks like this set char length. Yeah, okay. Looks like the set char length. Yeah, it's literally, yeah, it's this one. Okay. Looks like it though. Let's just take a good look at it. I already had it here. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, it's literally the same function. Okay, that's good to know. This set char length. Interesting. So where is this goofy function used? Ah. Interesting. So it's looks like it's only used in append. And there's this lock. Now remember that lock is this really weird function. Wait, is it defined here? So is this function this one over here? Is this? Yeah, this is lock. This is lock. Oh my god, I found it. So basically fork data got inlined. And yeah, that's basically where it comes from. That's interesting. I really wanted to start with simple things, so I started with strings, but it was probably one of the worst decisions because strings are used everywhere and they are the cornerstone for lock. Here. No. So, lock. Okay, the problem is indeed that fork data. Why aren't you inlining it? Why aren't you inlining? I didn't inline it though. Fork date. Okay. Service is not. So there's also another reason. Since the game, to load files, to do everything with strings, like it needs to go through the strings. Or no, I just knocked on my desk. Jesus Christ. Lock, yeah, lock. I was thinking, come on, okay, fork data. Okay, whatever. But that's what I wanted to. That's what happens here. Okay. Weirdly enough, where I live, people don't really knock. Like, knowing the neighbors is a strange thing. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is really good news. I actually had not Jehovah Witnesses, Mormons knock on my door. This is weird, and delivery people. Okay, this is good stuff. So I identified. This is not restart legend. A menu text. How do I say? They have a lot of English stuff. So English is the default. They have in files, but they refer to stuff like by codes, like mission tip 1, mission tip 2. So it's like IDs, but the IDs themselves are strings. So it's another thing. I need to patch all of these functions. It will be fun to see. I have no idea what these things are. Okay, whatever. But before that, let me just finish a work item. String. Oh, kind of silly on my end to not patch it. get diff. So I can hook into files loading from disk and stuff like that. Okay. I can push this. Yeah, I should also add okay, so I always have everything on my mind. So this is done. So it's easier for me to track. This one is easier. Assertions for string buff. Yeah, you got it, boss. So assertions, where are they? DLL main, right? No, not here. Really? Where are the things though? No. The heck? Where did I put this? Oh. It's in SpideyTM, okay. Okay, that's fine. So these are compile time assertions. String buff. Okay, this will fail. I want this to fail. Yeah, good. Okay. So lower than 12. Forgot how big this is. That's false. Okay, that's true. Lower than 18. Oh, 20. What? Wait, is it 20 bytes? Yeah, it is. Okay, that's good. Do. I like it. Okay. I need to do some. Oh yeah. So string buffs, they are not too weird. They are just buffers. Do I even need to patch string buffs? I don't think I gotta do. So, yeah, true. This will build, I know. But I need to make the... How do I do it in SpideyDecom? And I did a lot of work for the other projects. And I gotta... to Z. I saw that Z, they added AI, and you can turn it off, but... sorry, but I have so many questions. Like, what the heck? What the actually fuck wants that shit? Well, yeah, today, for my work, for the first time, my assertions. For the first time ever, I did, so there's, Microsoft has this thing that you, have a work item like on, that I have like on GitHub or Azure DevOps or Jira tickets. and you can basically assign it to Copilot, and it will generate a pull request. It's fine. It's not perfect. And I've seen some people use it. Maybe it's cool, but it doesn't work. Yeah, okay, good. I need to allocate the console. More important. Did you ever integrate Outlook as a mail service? I don't know what you mean integrate as a mail service. If I use Outlook, yes. Only for work though. Because, you know, when your company is knee deep into Microsoft tech, it's not like I can say, no, I'll use Thunderbird or stuff like that. You're just cooked. So, yeah. Did you? Okay. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember that I did a valid like using SMTP. No. Funny enough, I never used. How do I say? Audit size. I never used any, and I never did mail integrations. Okay, actually, I need this. um. I open our net. Is it that Blake man? Now let's put the static assert here. Should I though? I don't think I should. I'm trying to think on how to organize this. Compile time assertions. I like the compile time assertions. Yeah, I should move the compile time assertions to the proper file. I agree with myself. I was having an argument in my head. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah. Fascist caching. Okay. So the best way to do it is that, first of all, my assertions should not have any of this tomfoolery, right? You just make it static so no one can see that craziness. F7, printf, yeah, it's crazy. To me, it's kind of funny that people that do kind of contractor work, they usually deal with more bullshit than people that are regular salary. But yeah. I need to allocate console. There's a alloc console. Yeah, okay. There's this goofiness that I need to do. And just to make sure that this works, I need to go to Mr. DLL main. Okay. Let me add a build time rule. So there's this thing about build. Maybe I should add like a script to copy the working. So yeah, here. Right. It's just CP release tobey DLL into MNT. Okay, I need the full path. And how do I get it? I can go to okay. There should be no arguments. Okay. Yeah, I don't. What is it? Hopefully this works. Did it work? Did it actually work? So to make sure that this thing actually division Spider-Man movie. I'm using file pilot now. It's kind of cool. Delete this. Run copy. Oh yeah, it worked. Okay. I need the tools. So I made the promise to myself to stop paying for Apple Music until the end of the month. And then I also want to move away from Windows. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is working, which is what I wanted. Okay, big balls. So let me run assertions then. What else do I need? Oh yeah, DLL man. This guy over here. Open. How do I lock it? Yeah, I know exactly what to do. So runtime assertions. This is where I'll do like validate string x, right? And or string x right here. Void validate string x. And I can do stuff like validate size. I already know the size of string x, which is cool. String x is 0. Do goofy stuff like this. Okay, it's not recognizing it. It's kind of expected. Whatever. Of course, I forgot the most important part. Runtime assertions. No. What the fuck are it? sure, I guess. Put it on top. Expected 0 but of stringx. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. Nice. Okay, let's just put this here. I already know the size is 8. Just want to make sure that. So my buff, validate, stringx, my buff is 0, and that chars is 4. Just do it this way. Cannot access protected member. What the fuck? How do I? Fucking heck, man. C++ friend function. Do I need to declare it as a friend function? Kind of gay, I gotta say. Friend class. Let's see if this works. Oh wow, actually works. This is insane. I'm used to my project everything being public, so it's kind of dope. It's cool. That's exact. String buff. I just want to be triple sure. Block length. Max blocks. Yeah, okay. This is really cool. I'm quite happy with this. Okay. What else do I need? Oh, I added copy. Yeah, whatever. Da -da -da. Close issue. Okay, that's cool. Remap stringx. Okay, I'll need. So there's a proper way and improper way of doing it. I'll do the improper way because everything. Yeah. So let me try to run either Python here. Dude. So. Oh, they painted that house. Either Python exam. Bro. Yeah, let me do something else before. So now that I have this here. Okay, this is cool. So without doing much, I already have 300 functions. There's a way to iterate function over function. Either Python iterate all functions. Segments. Okay, good. Okay, that's so let's then automate this, right? So scripts, I gotta do string x. Okay. Okay. Good. So import the utils. So for funky a in the utils functions, and what I need to do, not this one, Jesus Christ. Yoink. It is. And then to go down here. Down here. Okay, good. Actually, no. Need to do it. Only I can do it this way. Actually. So either. Hmm. Okay, porting. Get func. No, I don't know how to type. Oh. Hmm. I the funks. Okay. Okay. Oh, sure was a hotkey to reload the script. Oh, perfect. Gets demangle. I don't know if this still exists though. Hmm. Perfection. And yeah, okay, this is really good. Okay. Okay, this is what I need. Oh, kind of silly of me. Yeah. Great. Okay. Alrighty, yo. This is really pff, like Doesn't matter. Okay. What the fuck? What? I'll need to do one by one. I'll do just a simple push ret. Patch. So the string buff should be pretty, how do I say, tame. Shouldn't be much problem. But the rest... I'm adding like function calls, but it doesn't matter. So... simpler. Okay, this is the thing that I usually use. And so what you do is push the address that you want. That's it. And return. No, return. And so here are the opcodes. These are just simple push rets. If you're familiar with these. So fine. So there's an address, there's a destination, and the reason. Okay. So So let's patch one function. It should work, I guess. Not enough, actually. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, that's true. So it's valid. Implicitly or by use? What? What the fuck is fucking heck, man? C++. Hacking. And C++ out. Is C++ made by... It's so hard. I don't want to work with function pointers. And C, it's so easy. Actually, let me just... Cannot convert from to int. Where are these values? Can be done implicitly. My fucking ass, it can be done implicitly. Cannot convert. This is fucking obnoxious. I want. God damn it. Fucking heck. What's the. C++ is made for morons and retarded people, man. Give me the fucking address of the thing with string. My god. Sip. Man, I don't want to use function pointers. Who the fuck designed C++ to be like this? Oh yeah, like in C, in C, you can do stuff like this, right? And no one bats an eye. Let me see if this works, right? This is actually obnoxious. Cannot convert from... What? Yes, you can. Oh, it does work. Or by use of static cast. Why? Why is it? And fighting the fucking compiler is... Here's the fucking function. I seriously don't know how. Damn, that's old stuff. But yeah, okay. This is kind of retarded. It says that I can use a Null terminate. Let's see if this is the problem. No, it's not. What the fuck? Who the... Like, let me look at Spidey tools. It's never a problem in Spidey tools. Why is it now a problem, man? It actually hurts my brain to... Hey, these builds. If I do this, right? What the hell is wrong with this shit? I remember I had to steal from the... Piece of shit, ChatGPT, man. Cannot convert parameter from, okay. So fucking retarded C++. Man, the brightest minds really work together. To make C++ happen. Is there like a flag that I can say shut the fuck up and cast? Yeah, the people that designed C++ definitely got bullied. I cannot imagine. For fuck's sake. Okay, let me think about what I can do here. It's so fucking gay if you need to do it that way. Like, who the fuck wants to do... Why is C++ so bad? Cannot convert from... to void star? Okay. Can't I do a shut the fuck up cast? That's so annoying, man. Yeah. How do you do IAT patching in C++? Can you even do it? Is okay. Batman. Use to hook you. Okay. Are there any examples? Because how the fuck do you get the function address? Nice. So my text fella. So he's exporting it? Ah! Yeah, it is indeed export. Read colors. What the fuck is... I have no idea. But he's not using the... Am I getting trolled? Yeah, how do you do IAT hooking? Okay. I want to see how do you... I've done IAT hooking in my life. Okay. This works? Impossible. Why doesn't it work? Ah, okay. Maybe because it's a standalone function. Wait a moment. Let me try something. No, it doesn't work. What the fuck? Ugh, this shit. There it is. Exactly. This is what I expect. So you give message box A. You try to give a function and it just spits in your face. If I do a void star. Ah, that works. Somehow. Yeah. Fucking... This is one of the most retarded things of all time, but thank God I fixed this in another life. Like, seriously, who the fuck? Like, why do I need... Yeah, exactly. So goofy, man. So here is to tmp 1 equals get thunk address of dest. And here just like this is one of the most retarded things, but thank God C++. My God, I sometimes I feel like I'm a genius for doing something like this. Seriously, it's hard not to feel good about yourself when you're able to pull crazy stunts like this. U32. Oh no. Where's the U32? So here, and get owned liberal. That's so cool. Uh, very good. Let me first of all just check it here. And the get sunk address, such a fucking cheat code that I came with for SpyDD comp. I'm so happy with myself. Hmm. I think the function is not used, therefore. So runtime assertion, runtime patches. And patch. Nice. Now let's do it again here. I hate using those stupid stack tricks. But I don't know who made C++ and this. I know who made it. It was Bjarne Strauss too. But why would they do something as moronic as that? New. Why? They're like this. Ah, so it wasn't in line, right? Just this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. It actually works. So I can do inline. I don't know, I didn't inline it. It will be cool if it's inline. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Okay, I guess I'll start with this. If I run this, the game will just crash. Yeah, the game just is perfect. What I need to do is segment here. So hey, I need to patch the V table. Yeah, that's true. That's true. For fuck's sake. I forgot that. More complicated than I thought. Okay, doesn't matter. So, so what I need to do, virtual protect. A size. So what I need to do is virtual protect, and here's text for you. And so then I need a new protect. So memory protection constant. Page execute read write. This done. No. Execute no. Sure. Right copy read. So the word virtual protect, text start, text size, text protect, T is a throwaway. Okay. Value, what? Cannot convert parameter 2 from void star. What the fuck? From void star. Unsigned long. True. And this is size T. I don't know why I didn't save. Sure, just cast stuff until it works. Yay, C++. It really made my code safe. Now I need to add a cast. Amazing. No, seriously, sometimes I have no idea what developers are thinking. Seriously. Okay, it booted. Patching. It boots. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna... So I need to copy it. It's working perfectly. Uh, looks like it's function name, I guess. What the if not? Yeah, it doesn't work. File. Does it work? Oh yeah, of course, file works. For some reason, func doesn't work. Let me ask my trusted friend GPT. I'm not even going to give it context, just wait. Yeah, it doesn't work. I'm being lied to. See? This is how you bully like, I'm not even giving you context, you piece of shit. Yeah, what the fuck? Great, I got 0 answers. No, look at this. This is why we can't have nice things. Okay, apparently it existed here, so. Actually, a right click open in Internet Archive. That's a useful context menu thing. Mouse. Okay, Man, today it's just me fighting with stupid ass compiler. Yeah, okay. Stuff like this. Or pretty. Pretty. Nope. Such a shame. Just to be sure that line works. It's gonna convert from int to... Yes, you can. Oh, it works. Done. Oh yeah, I have that. Come on, man. Didn't get it to run. DVG. So... so the function doesn't seem to run. It's annoying. But I haven't... Did a hook work? That's... Okay. Touch. No. Actually, this is not surprising. I just understand why. Oh, okay. That just didn't happen. No. Okay, let's look at other string buff stuff, right? Set char length. Huh, all of these functions. Come on, man. Not one of these. Nice. So it's 3A2. Yeah, null terminate. So if this works, I'll just let it be and then fix it another time. Hey, it kind of works. Oh, perfect. Okay, that's good. Uh, what the fuck? Push that. Copy data from. I got this so cool. Push red. Yeah. Maybe I can even change the script to improve on this. How will I know which kind of thing? Copy, movie. Oh my god, it's running. Did not crash yet. Yet. Said yet. No, I need to load. Yeah. Yo, look at this, look at this. Okay, this is working. Okay. But there's still a couple things that I need to do. This is only the beginning, right? So clear and null terminate. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So clear. So you go down here and then patch push vet. Oh my god, this is amazing. So then you need to do the copy, the big man copy. And it should just work. It's good. But it's not everything. It kind of works. I don't like having extra indirection. But if it works, I'm not going to complain too much. The game runs super fast on this machine, so okay, whatever. It, I'm kind of curious. Let's say about these two, right? Float. Let's see about. Right. Let's see that I do patch and this. So is this valid? That's the question. What the fuck? Okay, didn't save. Missing before. But so if I do this, how will it know which one am I talking about? Cannot take address of this member function. What the fuck? If I do 2, right? Oh no, that's... No, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. No. No. Why stringx cannot take address of this member function? Yeah. I kind of guessed that something retarded like that will happen, but... So. So, cannot... Are you serious, man? No. Let's try to do this. What? Okay, the destructor is not new to me. And it is, but... So let's say that I do substring, right? Substring. Okay, of course. This one works just out of the box. Fuck. String x, y. If I do this. No, but this is a function call. Cannot do it. Kind of funny if you think about it. So I'll basically need to change it. Bash push rep. So pi. Okay, here. So patch push red. Fine. So this and or this, which is either func get func name func EA. Perfect. So this is what I love about IDA, is that I have no idea where the consumer. Okay. Okay. So, what the fuck is this man Lewis thing that keeps happening? I have no idea, seriously. So, what I need to do let's, for example, take this one. Add proc address. Maybe I can do it that way. It's kind of stupid though. How do I fix this? How do I improve the social economic status of this goofiness? So copy, make room. So anything that's dumb, I'll need to deal with it the hard way. Anything that so truncates. I'm thinking about this. How am I supposed to deal with this? Does get proc address work? I pass 0. So wait. The name of the loaded module. If the name is emitted, the default is appended. Indicate the module name has no extension. The string does not have to specify a path. If the okay, that's so since I'm exporting it, I might be able to grab it, right? That's the thing that I'm wondering whether that works, you know. It'd be kind of cool if it does, right? So 0 yeah, and stuff. Let's just see if this works. Say hello. And convert physical to int. What are you talking about? Say hello, puts stuff. Rint f. Nice. Nice. That's what I like to see. 0. Great. Yay, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Okay. Get module handle. So I can do get module handle 0 and see whether if this goes better. Get proc address. Okay. Great. What else do I need? Copy. I don't want to pass. Okay. Hello. Hey, did not fix it. Thing. Okay. Now it worked. Yay, I guess. So close this, touch this, run this, and CPU. Yeah, I get. Yeah, I guess that might be probably the best way to hook everything. Yeah, this is legitimately one of the best ways to get addresses of everything. I just do get proc address, and as everything is exported, I just kind of do it. I guess. Should I not do it? Should do it. And I've got the world in my hands. I want to kind of save that thing, you know. Get module, get proc address. And just call get proc address whenever I need it. It'll be so dope, so dope. Yeah, I kind of prefer it. Can I? Wait. Continue debugging. Stop this. Okay. So my patch. I can say extern h module bing dll, right? And then dll I don't want to h module dll, right? And here so let's see if this works. Yay! If this works. Get module handle cannot. Oh, what the fuck are they talking about? Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. For the troublesome functions, I can use it. It's better. So if I do this, yeah, okay. This is really cool. This is really awesome. I gotta say. So uh let's see if it doesn't do anything, right? First of all, the visuals. Yeah. Okay, builds, modify the string x. Oh my god, it does work. Ooh. And then I need to bring this guy back. And so funny. So what do you do here? So get proc address. Mangled. Mangled. Okay. Just need to do this and it will work. I guess. Yeah. So so poly, and the poly version of these is literally this name It is this. If I run this, my god, this works, I'll be so happy. Yeah, you do this. No! Oh, you cannot do this, no! Yeah, okay. It didn't work. It did. Just need to do this. Then F7. F string. Undetermined string. No, fuck off. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Now, when I do this, it should work. But okay, mangled. I don't get funk. Get funk name. Okay, right? So if I do this mangled, it should print the mangled names. No, it doesn't. Single, whatever. That's true. Was wrong. Like I need to have dinner. Okay, this is good. What else do I need here? Do I need something else? Why can't I just do this thing? Okay, it worked now. Okay, doesn't matter. That's a good place to start. Okay, now I dump this. Yoink. No. No. Fucking goober. Okay, so I can just do this and okay, goober. Doesn't matter. Okay, now I this. This is shite. Okay, now this is much better. Yeah, I can take this guy. Go down here and patch. Of course, I need to do this thing. Parameters not enough. What can I talk about? Not enough. Okay. Being DLL. Sorry. Cannot convert from std call to. Crazy. You know what? It's crazy that you mentioned. What? Not enough actual. Yeah, you're right. And oh my god. Hopefully this is not too bad. But yeah, I'll just do the silo here. And of course I need to copy And then I'll just do this. Working. That seems to be working. Seems to be working. Ah, beautiful. Works kind of okay, I guess. Oh my god. Okay. I'll just leave it be. Okay. I need to eat dinner. But besides that, besides the fact that, I have all of these buckaroos to hook, right? And I'll terminate. I need to hook all of these buckaroos. Yeah. Yeah, I can just go one by one and then fix them all. And then I'll need to patch the stuff. No problem. Git diff. That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. The fact that I can patch stuff like that, it's insane. It's one of the coolest things. Yeah, okay. Git commit am. Let's say patch string buff and poly stuff. Yeah, like the more stuff that I patch, the less that I'll need to patch. So if I get the string stuff, I will probably need to have it patched forever. But the rest of the things, like if I patch like the VM stuff, I only need to patch it once, and then the child calls will be done. But okay, this is really good progress. I'm quite happy. Oh yeah, okay, that's true. So save workspace. Let me add files to folders, so to header files, right? So to SpiderTM source, and here just put the H files. Where the fuck are the header files? Source includes. Yoink. Let's do it this way. And it will complain there's duplicates. That's exactly what I want to see. And then just put source files. Yeah, that succeeded. Okay. Let's save workspace. So yeah, today was a really good stream. I figured out how to, like, that's the thing that only needs to run at most once. So I'm not very worried about that. Lock, oh my god. Yeah. After stringx is done, I can go into other stuff. So I should already be thinking about the future, to be honest. What should I do? Maybe VM stuff. But yeah, I'll need to think about it. So let me close this beautiful thing. So this guy also close. This Toby DLL out of here. And yeah, okay. While this runs, right? So it's touch. So what I'll think I'll do is patch everything, and then do the CI CD, and then I'll check what to do. No, maybe it's a little early to do CI CD. But okay, yeah, it's cool stuff. Hit push. Yeah, today was a really productive stream. Quite annoying that need to deal with lots of bullshit. Okay. So So they were just written, which is cool. I can do Python backup. It's writing to my to this thing over here, to reIDVs. It's writing it here. Hasn't shown it yet. Will it show immediately? I don't see a refresh button here. Oh, cool. Ah, interesting. Pum, pum, pum. But yeah, okay, this is done. I'm quite happy with the progress today. Again, fighting the compiler, but whatever. As long as it works, I won't complain. CI remap stringx, so string dot done, and inline patch shreds. I don't know if I'll do this. This is like nice to have. Doesn't seem. Actually, what I can do is at runtime. Yeah, I can do something fancy. I can do it like runtime. Figure out whether to patch the thing. Yeah, runtime. Yeah, in that case, I think it will be better because I don't need to do it at compile time. At compile time, I patch the target, and yeah, okay, it will be dope, man. It will be fucking dope. Jesus Christ, yeah, indeed, it will be fucking dope. But yeah, there's like this big chunk of functions that are all just inline jumps. But how long will it take for it to run though? Because that's a speed improvement that I can add to the game. Like actually resolve to the proper place. But yeah. What do I need to do now? Build on CI, and I think that's everything. Yeah, today was a shorter thing. Focus for the operators. This is very quick to do. But then, yeah, goofy things happen. Yeah, that's... Yeah, exactly. Okay. See everyone. I don't know when I'll stream. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I need to think about it. Don't forget to check out the best blog in the world.